Konnichiwa. Let's learn Japanese with Onigiri. In this series, we are practicing simple but essential Japanese phrases. Lesson 2. おはようございます。In this lesson, we practice some greetings. おはようございます。Good morning. おはようございます。Between friends and family, you sometimes say the shorter version, おはよう. But for greeting to people who are older than you, it is safer to stick to おはようございます。こんにちは. Hello, good afternoon, or good day. こんにちは. This is the most general greeting. You could say こんにちは from mid-morning until late in the afternoon. But be careful with the rhythm. It is こんにちは 5 syllables. Many learners make the mistake of saying in 4 syllables like こんにちは. Actually, it is こんにちは. こんにちは. こんばんは. Good evening. こんばんは. It is used after dark. And before going to sleep, we say おやすみなさい. Good night. おやすみなさい. The informal version is おやすみ. But be careful in using the informal version. It is friendly, but not always appropriate. Now, let's look at some other important expressions. Onigiri and sakuramochi are at a doughnut shop. The staff at the counter passes the tray to onigiri. どうぞ. Please. Oh, here you are. Onigiri says thank you to the staff. ありがとうございます. Onigiri brings the tray to the table. どうぞ. Here you are. Now, sakuramochi says thank you to onigiri. ありがとう. To say thank you, we say ありがとうございます. ありがとうございます. Between friends and family, you could say the shorter version, like what Sakuramochi said to onigiri. ありがとう. ありがとう. But be careful whom you're talking to when you say this. Yummy looking donuts. いただきます. いただきます. いただきます is a word you say before eating. Some learners can get confused this with enjoy your meal or bon appetit, because in some context it is used in the same way. But いただきます is for expressing the gratitude before eating. The literal meaning is humbly receiving, and in this case, it means humbly eating the food. So, it is only for people who have the food to use this expression. And it is wrong for a person who provides a meal to say this. When you are serving food or drink at a cafe or a restaurant, you could just say, どうぞ. If you are offering to your guests, you could also say, お上がりください. Or, a little bit more politely, お召し上がりください. If it is a close friend, you could say, 召し上がれ. Onigiri and sakuramochi have just finished eating. ごちそうさま. 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 Or, more politely, ごちそうさまでした are also expressing the gratitude, and they are used when you finish eating. The word for goodbye is さようなら。When you are expecting to meet again, you could add ではまた。It is like saying see you again or see you soon. Slightly informal version of this is じゃあまた。That's all for this lesson. Thank you for watching. ありがとうございました。じゃあまた。またね。